We survived our first night of camping.
Day 2, and we had a lot planned. We packed up our campground, had some breakfast, and then we hit the road.
Here we are, going down the road. We're headed to Grand Prismatic Springs.
Keep in mind that if you're going to visit Grand Prismatic Spring, you normally want to go before 9 o'clock because that is when all the tour buses get there. We chose to take the hike from the Fairy Falls trailhead instead of going on the boardwalk because you actually get a really good overlook if you just hike about 0.6 miles, and it's a really, really easy little hike. We spent a few minutes there, got our obligatory pictures, and then we hit the road. No matter where you go in Yellowstone, you're going to find a place where you want to pull off and just look at the beauty around you. There's so many places to just stop and admire.
I found a bathroom to freshen up. It is amazing what brushing your teeth and putting mascara on can do for your self-esteem.
We are going to Norris Geyser Basin, where we shall see Norris Geyser Basin.
This area is the hottest, oldest, and most dynamic of Yellowstone's thermal areas. The basin consists of 2 areas, the Porcelain Basin and the Back Basin, and we chose to explore the Back Basin just because we were short on time, but I would love to go back and spend more time in the Norris area. This area really does have a ton to do, to include checking out the Norris Geyser Basin Museum as well as the Museum of the National Park Ranger. We also found these structures that they made out of I think it's the lodgepole pine that had fallen, so you can check that out as well if you are in the area.
We are trying cowboy coffee.
It smells like ADD on steroids. This coffee needs some sugar.
Have you tried it?
Yeah, I just tried it.
Did you like it?
It tastes like really, really strong coffee. So it's gonna be great. You're gonna love it. It's so strong.
It is a strong coffee.
The Old West Cowboy Cookout was probably my favorite part of our trip. It included an hour-long horseback ride through Pleasant Valley, an all-you-can-eat steak buffet dinner, the strongest coffee I've probably ever had in my entire life, and Wyoming local entertainment.
Lone cowboy, I'm doing my best. Lone cowboy, hey, I go everywhere with. Lone cowboy, singing my old campfire songs. Lone cowboy, giddy up, get along. lone cowboy, giddy up, get along.
And even after all that, we still had time to go check out Lamar Valley.
Staying at Tower Roosevelt Lodge.
Yeah.
Tower Roosevelt Lodge. It's rather warm. There's no bathrooms in here, but we're really close to one. And we have a wood stove, so we're gonna be warm tonight, which is fantastic. Let me show you the tiny, tiny room. We have the door. Trash can type of situation. Our wood stove, which we have stuff on, all the stuff. And there's the bed. It's not going to be the ground. A nightstand, desk, and towels. Because there are showers here. Hot showers, real showers. You don't even have to pay for it.
And that was the end of a very full third day at Yellowstone National Park. Stay tuned for day 4. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.
Lots of pine and fir and spruce. Really, it's just evergreen amongst the evergreens. Just around the river bend. I'm gonna be a park ranger. Oh my gosh, we are entering the area of the Grand Prismatic Spring. Notice the smoke flying through the air. Is it actually smoke? No. What could it be? We just don't know. JK, we do! It's water vapor rising from the hot boiling water that's above the volcano. People come from all over the world to see this grand land because this land, it's your land.
This land is your land.
Bison, look at the babies, there's 3 babies. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. Sorry, Liz. You hear them bellowing? Oh my gosh, that one's turning toward us. It's still grazing, but it may attack at any moment. We are a target. No one's sitting by us. I think it's because we smell weird.
We do.
Is your table full?
Sit with us.
Definitely sit with us.